Hello and welcome to Abap coding for beginners with tricks and examples. And this is data types. In this lecture, we will talk about data types. After this course, you will be able to declare data using specific data types and objects. Here in our Hello World program, I declared some data using specific data types, which are X, N, C, D, T, I, F, P string and X string. Let's read them one by one. I put LV in front of every variable because it means local variable. You can use that writing statement in your codes too. So type X means this is a byte variable which use any byte values from 00 to FF. N is our alphanumeric data type, which you can define its length like this while declaring your variable. It gets the range of these values. Also, C is our character data type, which takes the same values as N. But using N, you can do mathematical operations. Don't forget that. Type D is our date type, like system datum. It's 8 characters. T is for time. It's 6 characters. I is our integer. It can be a negative or a positive value. F is our floating number. Also, it can be positive or negative. P is our packed number, which you can declare decimals with it, and it can be maximum at 16 length, and it's 8 bytes long. String is our string, any alphanumeric characters you can write in it, and X string is same as string, but you can define byte values in it. In addition to these, I will show you some other data object declarations, like VBAK is our table, which is a standard table in the system. So it's a database object, and I just declared a variable, just type of that database object. Also, I can declare this like this. Also comment this one. While declaring data using data objects in the system, you can use like statements. They are not data types like those, so they are data objects, so you can use like statements. Also, I can refer to a field of that table. So I created a variable like this object. When we double click it, we see that it's a character type and has length 10. So, to sum up, now you are able to declare data using data types and data objects. And I hope to see you in the next lecture.